My name is Jason, I'm from Metro Electronics. Today we're going to be talking about the Daytona lights line and some of the new products that we're launching this year. The Daytona lights line is the economy entry-level line from Metro Electronics for aftermarket vehicle lighting and accessories. So I've got about 5 items laid out on the table today that we're going to be showing you some of the new features and new styles of our economy line series. The first light I'm going to tell you about is Daytona Lights DL-DL4R. This is a round 5-inch flood pattern light. It's got a 60-degree disbursement. It's got 9 chipsets in it. It comes in a pair with all of the mounting brackets needed to get both of these mounted. When I throw some power to this, you can see that the light has a lot of output, but relatively low current draw at 1.34 amps each. This won't be any problem installing. The next light we're going to talk about is the DL-DL4S. This is the same style of light as our 5-inch round light, only in square. So outside dimensions is 5, again, 9 LED chipsets, comes in a pair with all the mounting hardware included in the box. This also has a low current draw with high output. It does have a flood pattern, 60-degree flood pattern output, and again, 1.35 amps each. Now the next light I'd like to show you is Daytona Lights DL-DL1. And this is a driving light. What's great about this light is it can be installed obviously on the front of the car to help improve visibility while you're driving down the road. But it can also be mounted in the rear of the car to help you during while you're reversing. So again, these come with 2 in a box, all the mounting hardware you needed to get this thing mounted, and because of its low current draw and high output, 0.76 amps of current per light. You'll be able to get this thing installed at relatively ease. You don't need some thick gauge wire in order to get power to this thing. It's going to function and light up the area just like it needs to. Now the next light I'd like to talk to you about is our Daytona Lights DL-CL2. This light is very similar to our CL1 in the Daytona Lights line. The difference being is that this is a spot light with 5D lenses. So we have 2 options now for you. We have one for the flood, which is our CL1, and now we have one for spot, which is our CL2. Very similar operation. 0.9 amps of current draw. Now the final light I'd like to show you today is Daytona Lights DL-CL3. And this light offers unique features that are not found anywhere else in the Daytona Lights line. And that being the 6 chipsets in the center here can be lit up independently of the 6 chipsets on either side. They're controlled by 2 trigger wires, so you can power them individually or you can power them together. Again, my power supply here, we'll power up just the front ones, and then we can power up the sides, and if we need to, we can power up both. Now the benefit to this is you have both a spot and flood combo with this particular light. Again, comes in a pair. You can see that it's got a nice 4-color box, so it's going to look great on the shelf, and it's going to help your customers identify that this is a quality product. So we've gone over some of the products that we're launching in the Daytona Lights line this year, from cube lights to the new driving lights. What Metro Electronics has always done is provided a high quality product, and for the Daytona Lights line, we're at that value price point. So it's really going to help you guys in the Bay. It's going to give your customers some options when the more expensive options aren't really available to them. So for more information, you can always check out Metro Electronics website, metroonline.com, for more information.